Namaste friends, welcome to infinitypimath. Today we are going to solve a very nice Math Olympiad question where the question is if square root of y plus square root of minus y is equal to 4, we need to find out the value of y. Let us write this equation as square root of y is equal to 4 minus square root of minus y. Let us do square on both the sides of this equation, and we can write this equation as square root of y whole square will become y, and now this is like a minus b whole square, and the formula for a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So now this is a and this is b, and we can expand this as a square, that is 4 square is 16 minus 2 into a, that is 4, into b, that is minus y square root, plus b square, that is square root of minus y whole square, and we can write this as y is equal to 16 minus 8 square root of minus y plus square root of minus y whole square will become minus y. Let us bring this minus y to the left hand side of this equation, then it will become plus y is equal to 16 minus 8 square root of minus y. Now we can write this as 2y, and let us bring this 16 to the left hand side of this equation, and it will become minus 16 is equal to minus 8 square root of minus y. Let us divide 2 on both the sides of this equation, and we can write this as y minus 8 is equal to minus 4 square root of minus y. Now again squaring both the sides of the equation, we can write this as a minus b whole square, that is a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square, that is 64 is equal to 16 into minus y. Now we can write this as y square minus 16y plus 64 is equal to minus 16y. As we can see, this minus 16y is present both left hand side of the equation and the right hand side of this equation, then they will cancel out with each other. Now the equation will become y square plus 64 is equal to 0, and we can write y square is equal to minus 64, and the answer for y is equal to square root of minus 64, and that is equal to plus minus 8i. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.